Trek Editor Orientation. Welcome to the Trek Editor. You're ready to get started building your Trek. In Wishtrip, you can create as many Treks as you want, wherever you want, and then choose to link them to your site. They're not linked to your site unless you choose to link them, but once a Trek is published, anyone can find it and follow it. Head over to the Trek Editor and click to create a new Trek. There are 4 steps to creating a Trek: creating the route, providing basic details, adding content or stations, and publishing. The menu bar on the left of the screen shows what stage you're working on in the Trek Builder and what you have coming up. When you've completed a stage, it appears green. A red dot indicates that a section is missing critical information or has incorrect information included. The stage that you're currently working on is indicated with a black border. You don't need to complete the sections in order, but some elements won't become available until others are complete. You'll have to complete all required steps before publishing. A required element is indicated by a red dot. As you work on your Trek, the green tick at the top of the screen lets you know that your changes have been automatically saved in the Wishtrip server. If the tick does not turn green, wait a little and then refresh the page. You can undo your last action, log out, or simply return to the home page up here. Just as the Wishtrip app interface is available in 14 languages, so is this Trek Builder. If you prefer to work in a different language, go to the bottom of the page and change the UI language there. This won't affect the end product, the language your visitor will see. Whether you're creating a new Trek or editing an existing one, these video tutorials will take you through each of the steps. Plus, if you need help at any time, you can always rub the genie's lamp. Visit the Wishtrip Enterprise channel on YouTube for more tutorial videos.